strategies to declutter and organize your space. There's something about a freshly decluttered and organized space that just feels good. Maybe it's the satisfaction of knowing that everything has its place, or maybe it's the peace of mind that comes with being able to find what you need when you need it. Whatever the reason, there's no denying that decluttering and organizing your space can have a positive impact on your life. If you're ready to declutter and organize your space but don't know where to start, don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some simple yet effective strategies to help you get started. 1. Start with one area at a time. Trying to declutter and organize your entire home all at once can feel overwhelming, so it's important to take things one step at a time. Choose one area, whether it's your bedroom, kitchen, living room, or home office, and focus on getting that space decluttered and organized first. Once you've tackled that area, move on to the next one until your entire home is clutter-free. 2. Donate or sell items you no longer use or need. One of the quickest ways to declutter your space is by getting rid of items you no longer use or need. If an item is in good condition but you no longer have a use for it, consider donating it to a local thrift store or charity. And if you have items that are still usable but aren't worth much money, sell it. How to prioritize what is important in life. In a world that is constantly chaotic and overwhelming, it can be difficult to know what is truly important. This is where minimalistic living comes in. By learning to focus on only what is essential, you can simplify your life and find more peace and joy. Here are some tips on how to prioritize what is important in life. 1. Define your values. What is most important to you? When you know your values, it becomes much easier to prioritize what matters most. 2. Let go of the non-essentials. Once you have defined your values, it will be easier to identify what is not important and let it go. This could mean decluttering your home, getting rid of unnecessary possessions, or even simplifying your schedule. 3. Focus on quality over quantity. When you make choices based on quality rather than quantity, you automatically prioritize what is most important. For example, instead of buying 10 cheap items that you will quickly tire of, invest in a few high-quality pieces that will last for years. 4. Make time for what matters most. In our busy lives, it can be easy to forget about the things that are truly important to us. Make sure to schedule time for the things and people you care about most, even if it means saying no to other commitments. 5. Be present in the moment. One of the best ways to enjoy life and appreciate what is truly important is by living in the moment.
Also subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive more such useful and interesting videos.